Hello, my little technocrats. Welcome back. Now, we were learning about our Windows desktop. In that, let's learn about creating shortcuts. Now, first of all, let us understand why do we need shortcuts. Now, we cannot keep everything on our desktop because we have to save certain files in our C drive, some in our E drive, some in our F drive. Now, what happens is that if there is some file or some folder that I keep on using again and again and again, so I'll have to repeatedly go to that folder and open that file. Now let me show you. There is this one folder, Aradhi's Creative Writing, that I love to read again and again during the day. Now every time I have to open this folder, I'll have to take 3-4 steps. So see, I'll have to go to my computer, I'll have to go to E drive, then I'll have to go to Aradhi, and I'll have to go to this Aradhi's Creative Writing. So this will take 4 to 5 steps every time. Now if I want to save my time, and open it immediately, I can simply create shortcut. So we create shortcuts to files or programs which we use very frequently. The main file or program will remain safe in its original location. Now you will ask me, what is the difference between shortcuts and partition then? Because if I keep anything, if I move that folder over here, then it will come to this C drive, but I do not move it to the C drive. I want to keep the folder in original drive only, in E drive only. So instead of moving that folder, I will create a shortcut. Now let us see how can we create the shortcut. What are the steps of creating shortcut? First of all, you have to right click on the blank area of the desktop. When you right click, this menu will appear. You have to point your cursor to this new and a sub menu will open. Now click on shortcut. Now you can either type the location of the item, but that will take time. So what is easier is you click on this browse button. You go to this PC, my computer. It was in E drive. So E drive, Radhi, and this is the folder that we want to create shortcut for. So that's it. We have entered this location. So see, it came E drive, Aradhi's Creative Writing. Now next. Now you can even give a short name. You can even, like, if you want to give a smaller name for this shortcut. So I want to write ACW. If I write this, so this is how this shortcut is created. Now instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, I can open this folder directly by one step. See, so immediately it's opened it shortcut. So that's why it is called a shortcut. You know what is fun? Let me show you how to create a shortcut of a video file now. Now if there is this video file, 1, just count the number of steps with me. 1. Now let's go to F drive. 2. Then or let's go to E drive only. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you could see how many times I had to click to open this video. Now if I want to open this video quickly, instead of doing all this, I can simply create my shortcut. So right click on the blank area of the desktop, click on new shortcut, and let's browse again. So we'll go to this E drive. This is my computer, E drive. This was that folder and this was that video. Now select it. Again, I can give it, I want to give a nickname, bungee jump. So it's ready. Now instead of going all the way inside, I can open this video from my desktop only. This video is now open and I can watch it on my desktop. Now, what is the benefit of this? You will ask me. The benefit is that, like, if by mistake, if somebody deletes this video, this icon on desktop, the original video will not be deleted. The original video will still be safe. Only this shortcut will be deleted. So this is the logic behind shortcut, that even if one thing is that you have to save time, and secondly, you can also protect your file. Now you can even change the this icon. Now if you have created the shortcut, you can even change the icon of this shortcut. I'll show you that. So first of all, let's right click on the shortcut to open a menu. So if you click on this ACW, it will open a menu. Click on properties. In this property, you will see this shortcut tab is open. Here you will click on change icon. Now I want to make this icon for Aradhi's ACW. So you click on this. don't forget to click on apply. If you do not click on apply, the changes will not happen. So apply, okay. Now if you refresh it, see that icon got changed. Now similarly for this video also, if I want to change again, what were the steps? Highlight the video, right click, properties, change icon. Now let's select some other fun icon for this video. This looks good. So okay, don't forget to click apply. Okay, refresh it. See, this is changed. So this is fun, right? Now a shortcut is a link to any computer file and you can keep it over here. So you can do this with everything. You can do with any folder, you can do it with any video file, any Word file, and this is how you can create shortcut. So will this make your life very easy now, right? So you can simply click on this icon and you can go to whatever folder you want. Now the next thing I want to show you is how to change the date and time of your computer, of your laptop or your desktop. Now there are various steps to change date and time. Now, first of all, see, I'm using this new Windows 10, so it is little different from what is shown in your book. In your book, I think it is Windows 7 or some other version. I will show you from Windows 2010, Windows 10. Okay, so if you have to go to change date and time of this computer, you will have to first of all come to the taskbar and look for the clock and calendar. So you can see in this right corner, this is the date and time. So if you click on this, this box will open. But instead of doing that, you can simply bring your mouse here, right click, you will get an option, adjust date and time. Now, if you want to change your date and time, you simply have to, first of all, you will have to turn this off, because if you turn this on, it will automatically select your date and time. So turn this off. If you want to set the date and time manually, you have to change it from here. Now, suppose if you want to change it to tomorrow's date, so you can put this date, or if you want to put my favorite date in the world, so I can put 8 November 2010. That is my favorite date in the world. And if I want to change the time, my favorite time is 3:51 p.m. So as you know, in 24-hour formats, 15 is equal to 3. So 3:51 p.m. I can set it like this. Now I will not click on change, because if I change it, then my system will change the date and time and my recording will get hanged. But if you click on this change button, immediately your date and time will change and you will set to new date and time. But if by mistake you have done it, or right now like I don't want to change the date and time, I simply have to click on cancel. Okay, so what you have to do, let's revise the steps. You have to come to this clock, right click, adjust date and time. First turn off this automatically, set date and time manually, and then you can change the date and time. You can even change the time zone. Now suppose you are sitting in Delhi right now, but if you have traveled to Singapore or if you have traveled to Dubai and you don't want to change the date and time, you simply need to change the time zone. You have to click this time zone. You have to click here and you will get all the options. Let me show you. Let me scroll this down. So you will see all the options. Now suppose if I'm going to Dubai, so Dubai is in UAE, so Abu Dhabi. So this is Dubai time. Now if I click on this, it will give me an option of changing my time zone. Now if I see, you can see the time has changed to 10:42. I have not done anything, but the time, because Dubai is 1.5 hours behind us in India, so it is automatically reading the time as 10:42. Now if I want to come back to India, simply have to go and let me show you. See this again, this is the Chennai Kolkata movement. Now the time is 12:12 p.m. So automatically the time is changed. Now usually in the newer version of Windows, we use this option. We set the time automatically. So automatically it will set my time to whatever is the current time in India right now. Okay. In the next video, let me see. And in the next video, I will be teaching you how to work with Windows accessories. So I hope you have understood how to change, how to create icons, how to create shortcuts, how to change the icons for shortcuts, how to change the date, time, and how to change the time zone itself. So click on the next video to learn about Windows accessories. Thank you.